Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in bright white. With hill descent control, heavy-duty suspension with gas shocks, 18-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, Command Track part-time four-wheel drive system, Sky One Touch POWERTOP, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7110.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.